Labadiena! As you can see, I'm not in my workshop. It's gonna be a bit of a different day. I'm gonna be fixing my car. Well, technically, it's still my father's car, but anyway. Well, honestly, I try to avoid these kind of jobs because I'm no car mechanic and this is not a car shop. But sometimes life gets in the way and you have no other choice but to deal with it. So let me explain what's the deal. As you can see, I have this funky looking dashboard and it doesn't really matter if the engine is on or off. So there's definitely some sort of electrical issue. And I was in a couple of car services, but all I managed to get is the answer that the wiring is probably okay, but ABS block is failing. And for whatever reason, they refused to replace it. Eventually, car's technical certificate expired and I can no longer go around looking for help. So that's why I'm here today fixing it by myself. So here's the replacement part. And you might be wondering why I bought the used part. You see, the new one costs somewhere around half the market price of this whole car. So that's the reason. So first things first, let's take out the failed ABS block. And even though this part looks better than the replacement, I think this electrical unit failed. Okay, let's cannibalize this replacement part and make the best out of these two. So I have ABS block back in place. I plugged in the battery. Now let's check if it made any difference. Well, not all of the lights went gone, but at least ABS is no longer lit. The brake system is completely out of fluid, so that also may be causing a problem. And of course there's still air left in the system. Now I have to vent it, starting from the outermost point and working all the way up till the closest wheel. Okay, let's check if anything changed. There's still service light on, but as long as I remember this car, it was always lit. It's because of a failed airbag or something like that. Anyway, I'm not gonna do anything about that. So I guess that's all I have for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.